Oh, excuse me. Oh, I think I have to sneeze again. Oh, the tickle's building so slowly. I just want to sneeze. Oh, I lost it. Oh, God. I hate when you get so stuffed up, like, you just can't get a sneeze out. That's the worst feeling. Oh, but it still tickles. Oh, I think I have to sneeze. Oh, please, I just want to sneeze. Oh. Oh my God, that felt so good. Oh. Oh, that felt so good. Oh, excuse me.